Good morning, guys. I have never done a video when just waking up, but this was so on my heart this morning. I just wanted to let you all know God is so good. God is so faithful. And when we take our time and just focus on the Lord and just take 5 minutes, sit on your couch, wherever you may be, and just reflect on your life and how much the Lord has done for you. How faithful He has been. Things that have happened for you that you know you didn't do that. You have to come into agreement and know that you did not do that. I just wanted to come on here this morning and encourage someone, guys. I have not worked hard since May of 2021. I was a hairstylist for 16 years, y'all. I worked day and night. Hustler, worked hard, didn't want for anything. The money was good, but when I reflected on how long I did hair for 16 years, and I'm saying this to say I did my talent for 16 years. But when God showed me my purpose, y'all not hearing me? When God showed me my purpose, y'all, when you know your purpose and you do what you are called to do, you don't have to work hard. We do that because we want to, because it's what we want to do. We want to do what we want to do in our timing. I broke myself down for 16 years, guys. Not saying that I would turn back the hands of time. But when you sit and listen to the Lord and let Him show you your purpose in life, guys, I sit at my house bored since May 16th, 2021. I walked off from my job and people thought I was crazy. And I fought with what the Lord told me to do for so long that it began to shake my spirit, take my sleep from me. Because when you pray for what you want and you pray for answers and you pray for God to show you, you have to listen. You have to listen. And if you don't listen, He will get your attention, especially with things you are asking Him for. Especially with things you are asking Him for. Take time and listen to what the Lord is telling you to do. God has taken more care. I have been more financially secure since I walked off of my job. I have had things that I have never been able to touch before because I put my trust in God and started walking in my purpose. And I'm just now getting there to where I'm being obedient fully. And I'm not saying this to boast or brag, but I have to tell you, if you just had a faith of a mustard seed, the Lord will take care of you. I walked off my job. The Lord promised me that you would not go without anything. Y'all, my salon is still open and fully operating. My home business is going. We're taken care of. And I'm the happiest I've ever been because I finally decided to walk in my purpose. And see, there's a difference between your talents and there's a difference between your gifts from God. Your talent is what you're good at, but your gifts is what God really called you to do. And I don't know who may need to hear this, but if God is calling you to serve for Him, do it. Let Him use you, because it got to a point with me, for me. I'm sorry about my voice, y'all. I just woke up. It was the testimony for me. It was when I sat and reflect on how many times the Lord has spared my life. How many times I think about I should have been in the mental hospital. How many times did I walk away from that car wreck, me and my children? The car was totaled, but we were shaking, but we're fine. We walked away. After having my 3-year-old daughter a week later, being admitted into ICU and them telling me that the medicine, matter of fact, I'm sorry, telling me that I was going to be in ICU within the next day and that the medicine was going to burn my body. Y'all, I didn't feel a thing. The Lord kept me because I had to walk in my purpose. I hadn't made it to my purpose yet. And I used to walk around so frustrated. People tend to look at you through social media. They think because you have this and that. But get to know me and my story. You don't know my story? You don't know my story? I've been through it like everybody else. Walking around mad, hurt, because I'm that strong girl. I'm that strong woman. Know how to compress my feelings instead of letting it out, but it's only so much that you can take before it starts to mess with you, because you have to give it to the Lord. And I wasn't going to even go there, but I don't know who this is for. But give it to God, because it's when you know your purpose that you understand why you've been through all these things. It's not their fault. It's not their daddy issue. It's not their baby daddy's fault. It's not their bestie's fault. God had to take you through those things so that you could walk in your purpose. And when you come to understand that, oh my gosh, life begins to happen. When you use that testimony to bring others out of that dark path, and to help others to know their purpose and to be able to help them overcome, you get a well done. You get peace. You get happiness. When the understanding comes, everything comes with it. And I'm not going to stay here long today. I just wanted to encourage someone. Listen to the Lord. Give the Lord some time. I know. I was so scared because I depended on worldly things. I wanted all the worldly things, and that I knew that I was not going to be accepted walking in my purpose with God. But take one day at a time. I'm still doing the same thing, but I promise you it'll be worth it. I love you guys. Have a great day.